everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video we are going to record it from the balcony because I'm going to grow something in my biryani pot. It's a sticker. Okay, I'll put it here. Oh, that's a sticker. Thank you. So I have 2 stickers. Is it nice? Yeah. So I had 3 biryani matkas with me. Previously I made a video wherein I used them to make curd and that really turned out to be good. I will link that video in the description box below in case you want to check it out and in case you want to know how you can reuse these matkas. And after that I painted it with acrylic color and I painted 3 of those in the same color with the same pattern. But right now I'm just left with 2 of these. And I am willing to reuse it to grow something for the longest while, for like, I think these are some 2-3 years old and now is the time to make use of this. So let's use them. I just have 2 of these and I will use them and I'll let you know if you can really use it to grow something or not. By the way, it's not having any holes. It's better if you have a hole there. Otherwise, you should be really careful of not putting too much water because there will be no drainage. So here I have 6 microgreens plates and there is more soil and cocoa bean. There is more soil than required. So I'll take some from here and put it in the biryani matka. So I have one with me here and another one over there which is quite dirty. I need to clean it and I will make use of it. By the way, my baby loves using these matkas too. He just stores his things like stickers and all of that over here. So all of these he is storing there. Here I have some mustard seeds that I soaked last night and now it's almost evening time. I have over soaked it. I think it's smelling a bit. Sometimes it happens, right, that you soak something and then you forget about it. Might be you don't get time or something. Sometimes even you want to make sprouts and then it starts smelling. I have few videos on my channel as well on sprouts. And there a lot of people have commented that sometimes they make sprouts and then it starts to smell and then it just gets wasted. So it's not about wasting it. You can still use them to grow microgreens even if it's smelling or even if I'll put it in. Or even if you have some seeds which are old, right, you can make use of those. So now I'm going to use it to grow microgreens. First we will add some soil here. So here I have some cocoa bean. Over here I will put the seeds. Very good. Arohan Didia, making it. Very good. Aropan Didia. Good job. Hoy jabo. Tomato, make it hoy din, huh? Very good. Hoy jabo. Aropan ami mati din. So this has 1 layer of cocoa bean, 1 layer of seeds, another layer of cocoa bean. Aro hoy jabo beleg to dim roba. So this is all ready. I'll just water it after a while. Here I have the other one. This diya is from last year's Kati Bihu. So I will just clean it. My baby is all excited to grow something in it. Maybe I don't have time to clean it. So I'll just add some soil here. Oh, gutidim. Again I have put this. There is basically no soil, it's just cocoa bean. Yeah, put it in. Now we will add some seeds. Are all of dia? Yate di dia. Pori jabo. Yate dia. Very good. Aro common. Very good. Hoi jabo. So here we have the seeds. I will just spread it and put another layer of cocoa bead. So this is again ready. I will just add some water after a while. Here we have some more seeds left. I will use this to grow microgreens. As I told him that we will be watering the seeds, he just could not wait for me to bring water, and he wanted to use his water bottle instead to pour water, but again it's not working. So he is telling me that it's not working, and I poured some water, and here he is putting water. As these matkas are not having holes, we are pouring just little bit of water. And I also used these microgreens plates. I used 2 of them to grow the remaining seeds that we had. This is after 2 days, so we did not water it every single day. This is after 2 days. I told him that we will water the seeds, and he is ready waiting for me. Here after 2 days you can see the progress. These are watermelon microgreens, and in these 2 plates also happening, bit of microgreens are coming. So this is the progress. And here he was telling me that he was the one who had put the seeds for growing. So he was watering the microgreens plates as well. These plates are really good if you want to grow microgreens. I will leave a link to that in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Didi Aru? More water. Thank you. Nah, ekhine Didi. Here he was telling me that the other plates are not having any seeds or any microgreens. Very good. Aldia? More water. More water, Didi. And this is the progress after day 6. So if you are growing them in matkas without holes, just make sure you are putting little bit of water and you are not watering them regularly. And also this balcony gets direct sunlight, so I was watering them every alternate day or after 2 days. So this is the progress after 6th day. And in the microgreens plates it's actually a bit easier because there it is having holes, so there you can put a little bit of more water. He really likes watering the plants. And these are some more microgreens. So this is the progress after day 7, and we consumed it at this stage. You can even allow them to grow a bit more. Bye for now.